Good morning, good morning, good morning on this happy Aloha Friday. We'll make this video straight, quick, and straight to the point, hopefully. Shout out to everybody this morning who was able to cop the Starfish 4s. If you haven't checked it out, I got my video up. Very, very dope and underrated shoe. The orange on that shoe really pops on feet. Shout out to the people who cop those dunks as well. All right. Also, shout out to the home team, 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, PMKICKZ. Go check all of them out. Their information will be below, along, always, like in my other description, as well as go check us out on Who Has the Heat. We're currently on break. And always check out my featured channels. Very dope channels, different content, a little bit of something for everybody. And for the new people to the Money Squad, welcome. And welcome back to all the people who always stop through and support and show love to the channel. Now, I wanted to get this out real quick because I think you got one more chance to cop these joints tomorrow on the Nike app. So do what you got to do if you're a person that like mids, because these gonna probably be a problem soon, just like all the other mids. I like what Jordan brand is doing. They add a little bit of to those shoes. So let's get into it. As you can see, we got to switch up this box, though. This box is just a little bit dated, Jordan brand, so we need a change. Pretty please. Black box, gold Jumpman, PP, personal pair, Air Jordan 1 mid. I copped these from Shoe Palace. Shout out to them, Pearl Ridge. $115 is the suggested retail price. Official colorway, black, hyper royal, white. See, you got your RF code and your 4D code, made in Vietnam, all right? So made in Vietnam, like I said, because these shoes will go up. So if you're sitting on the fence, you might as well go ahead and grab them. Just get it on out the way, you know what I mean? Then you got your stamp and ramp up there. You got your 23 paper. I know my size of these. I don't even try them on. And you can see, just like the reverse bread joint. Man, this shoe looks big for a size 10. Let me double check this. Yeah, it is a 10. Looks ginormous. Well, let's bag it out so you can get all of the views. So I got the reverse bread, and now I got the Royals. As you can see on screen, that blue is on and popping. Let's do a quick little spinneroonie. And I like to say shout out to Booker T. Like that, like so. You turn on the bottom, you got your always traditional black bottom more often than not. Coming around on the front, I don't know about this toe box. Toe box look weird, but hey, it is what it is. It ain't the grassy, a little bit of black glue, as you can see that on the side. You got a little wrinkle stanker there, not the greatest. On the toe box here, it's all right, still. You got your black laces. You got your blue Jumpman with your patch, or your Air Jumpman with the patch. Coming around the side, you see you can get up close in person. So you got that basketball, football look, old wrinkle stankle there. As so. Then you got a little bit in the check. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, that is terrible, that stitching. Look at that stitching. Come on, quality control. Then you got your Air Jordan right there. On the collar, you have this like so, very soft, very nice. Then you coming around here, you have a good one on here as well. Now I'm bothered by that. I didn't catch it last night when looking at it, so I don't know about this. Kind of a little bit perturbed right now, but hey, let's keep going with the video. Inside, I don't know if you can see the blue or not, but it is the blue inside. And the production date is 8/12/20 to 10/5/20 on these joints. So let's bag out again. Let's get one look around again. I always get this outside noise when I'm doing it, but on the little meter. Now I'm gonna deduct major points for this quality control issue. As we have, I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5. All right, 4 out of 5. You leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, and tell a family member. Oh, I can't talk. Tell a family member, a friend of a friend. Thanks for all the love and support. Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Peace.